Very rare camera, Sony. Test and review. Very powerful camera. Has minimal screws on the corner. Something screws in this place. And something screws in this place, as you see. Very beautiful color, silver and brown. Rare color. All is tested, all is perfect working. Clean lens without scratches on screws. All is tested, screen, touch screen, all is perfect working. Also rack, very good quality of video. Something scratches in this place, as you see. And rack stop. Screen is working. And video. 5-in-1 channel of audio. Very beautiful camera, all is working. Rare camera, Carl Zeiss. See you on the listings.